Now, breaking news coming in from the poll-bound state of Bihar. The Election Commission has now issued a notice to RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, and this is over discrepancies in his EPIC numbers. Remember, the Commission says one of the EPIC numbers Yadav mentioned in a recent press conference does not even exist in its records and has even asked him to provide full details for investigation. Now, viewers, this comes after Yadav alleged that his EPIC number was changed and his name was missing from the draft electoral rolls issued for the state of Bihar. And now Election Commission, however, has refuted the charge, saying his name is very much present on the rolls, and the Commission has also accused him of making false claims. Major news coming in from the poll-bound state of Bihar, essentially. The Election Commission hitting back at Tejasvi Yadav and also issuing a notice to him over the discrepancies found in his EPIC number. Now, the Commission has said that one of the EPIC numbers Yadav mentioned in the recent press conference does not even exist in his records and has even asked him for full details for investigation. And remember, viewers, this whole escalation between the Election Commission and Tejasvi Yadav comes after Yadav alleged that his EPIC number was changed and his name was missing from the electoral rolls issued for the state of Bihar. However, EC hit back, saying that it is a false claim. His name is very much present on the rolls. And now the feud seems to be escalating, with the notice being issued against the leader. Remember, it's not just RJD's leader Tejasvi Yadav, but opposition bloc at large has been accusing Election Commission of election theft at large. And now EC has been responding to those allegations and accusations coming in its way. The recent development being Election Commission issuing a notice to RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav over discrepancies in his EPIC number. The Commission says now that the EPIC number Yadav mentioned in a recent press conference does not even exist, and has also asked for him to provide full details so the investigation can go on. And remember, this comes just after Yadav alleged that his EPIC number was changed and his name was missing from the draft electoral rolls issued for the state of Bihar. Remember, this whole crisis stems from the fact that SIR is underway in the state of Bihar, something that the opposition says is a tool to make sure that the vulnerable sections of the state do not get their right to vote.